That day, I finally built it, a machine that could bend time itself. But before I could even believe what I've done,
You just watched the Hollywood style VFX, but this was my real background. Unbelievable, right? But let's do this again. And by a snap, you can change the whole backdrop. You can change your clothing to prop to entire ambience just by a snap. You may morph your body parts as well. Now let's see the full process step by step. Stay till the end.
For style transfer, we have three options. Number one, changing the main actor or the main character. Second, changing an element in the main video. Third, changing the overall environment. And compiling these three parts, we create a complete new CGI style transferred film like the one you have seen in the beginning. As you can see, I have already created this video from this. You can see on the screen. First of all, I have created one prompt template by using the skill. So if you want the skill which can help you to generate such detailed template, where I have just given this small prompt, I have just added the original clip to the cloud. I have given my attire, I have given my lamp, I have given the environment, and I have given the creature which flies over my head. Yeah, and then I have given all these clips input reason where I want them and how I want them, and then I have narrated exactly what do I want to be shown in the clip. With my face locking and action locking. This is very important. Lock my action and camera exactly as well as the face. These are very important, yeah. And then I asked for two things. One is for an image prompt because I am going to transform the character as well. So I have got this image prompt. Parallelly, I have got the Seedance timestamp prompt. Okay. So what have I done is by the image prompt, I have generated this image. I would show you. I have initially generated this image, which I didn't quite like because I have given another AI generated image of mine, which did not match my face exactly. So then I just got this one from one of the clips which I have taken as screenshot. Okay, and here I got the exact face match, and along with that, I have used this prompt for character sheet, which is giving me from different angle the same character's image. Okay, now these two will become my reference. Okay, now I have taken Seedance 4K. Although I have generated it in 2K, you can go for 4K as well. I have given all the resources. Along with that, I have given the prompt which has been given by Claude, which is precisely this one. If you want all these prompts, please type skill in the comment section. I will be providing this overall skill document which you can use in order to create similar video, and this is the result right in front of you. Look at the precision, the exact timing when I bend down. and that creature flies over me. Okay, this precision is very difficult to be brought without camera if you don't have proper prompt engineering and proper knowledge of prompting. Okay, now I want to tell you, if you want a free session from me live, which I conduct every Friday 7:30 p.m. IST, that's India Standard Time. Please feel free to join my free WhatsApp community. The link would be given in the description. Now, in the same way, I would be creating the second prompt as well. Okay. Now, here I would be taking all the inputs. Now, I'll be taking the next clip. Okay. So I'll go to this plus button and then I will be taking my second clip. That is this one. Now here the main point is to give the elements, right elements, or describe the right elements in your own words, and where exactly in which second you want it to be appearing on the screen. That is very crucial. So make sure you don't make any mistake. I have given the reference frames and the main clip, and same way I have simply given narrated what I want in what second, and accordingly I have got the reference. And like this I have taken all these three references and made these four clips together. And then finally I changed the first frame, entire background, myself with lip sync. As you can see, the original video was this, and this is what I made with perfect lip sync, perfect character, and perfect clothing. Okay, and then this is the final result.
YouTube taught you how to create, we'll teach you how to profit. Creating AI art and videos are easy. Turning it into a recurring income stream is the real skill. If you are tired of stunning AI-generated images and videos that pay you nothing, this is your pivot point for 2026. Join VAGPE Media's 3-hour AI Content Mastery Workshop live Friday at 7 p.m. IST on Zoom Live. In just 3 hours, you will master the fastest faceless YouTube channel monetization strategy, the one used by Mr. Srinivasan, Mona Lisa, and hundreds of our mentees to monetize their channel even within 8 days. Cinematic AI video production beyond basic slideshows. Pixar-style 3D animation and self-avatars. 10 concrete ways to cash in on AI in 2026. Offer ends soon. Get your 699 rupee ticket for free today. From Pixar-style animations to Nano Banana Pro avatars, we are covering the deep secrets that free tutorials hide. Warning: live only, no recording. Grab your sponsored seat now, free for today only.
That day, I finally built it. A machine that could bend time itself. But before I could even believe what I've done,
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.